Hello everyone and welcome to Triple Power Healing. My name is Dr. Sonia Srivastav and I am a Ho'oponopono and EFT healer. Today we will do Ho'oponopono healing for brain suffering from Alzheimer's. Take a deep breath in and gently breathe out. This space is for healing, for remembrance, for softening everything the brain has carried. You are not here to fix anything. You are here to love the mind, the center of thoughts, memories and stories, back to peace. The brain is not just a tool for memory and thinking. It also holds the energetic weight of unprocessed emotions. Overwhelm from years of mental pressure, fear of unknown or being wrong, confusion caused by emotional overthinking, grief from unspoken losses, shame when memory begins to slip. In Alzheimer's and other memory conditions, the emotional root is often deep disconnection from self, from past pain, from a feeling of safety in the world. The brain begins to forget, not because it's failing, but perhaps because it is tired of holding on. Dear brain, you have carried me through life, remembering names, emotions, stories, and scars. You have solved problems, protected me, and tried to keep me in control. And when things became too much, you did what you could to cope. I'm sorry I did not notice the pressure I placed on you. I am sorry I did not hear your cries for rest, stillness, or love. But I hear you now, and I want to thank you for everything you have done. You are not broken, you are sacred, and I am here to help you heal. Say softly, I take 100% responsibility for the emotional patterns, ancestral energy, or unconscious memories that may have contributed to this mental burden in me or in my loved one. This is not guilt. This is sacred responsibility, a powerful act of love. Place one hand over your heart and one hand over your head. Speak to the brain like you would speak to a beloved child. Dear brain, I am sorry for the emotional overload you have carried. I am sorry for every time I filled you with fear, stress or pressure. I am sorry for the memories I never allowed you to release. Please forgive me for ignoring your quiet fatigue. Please forgive me for trying to control everything through thinking. Please forgive me for not honoring the emotional pain stored in you. Thank you for holding on even when you were exhausted. Thank you for trying to protect me through confusion and fog. Thank you for every memory, even the ones I have lost. I love you, my brain, every cell, every connection, every forgotten part. I love your effort, your resilience, your sacred wisdom. I love you, even in this moment of not knowing. Now repeat softly, I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Repeat this 3 to 5 rounds as a healing mantra. Now close your eyes. Visualize a gentle golden light above your head. This light enters through the crown, flowing through your brain, like a soft warm mist. It clears confusion. It soothes old trauma. It repairs what stress once broke. See your brain becoming light, open, and calm. Say softly, even if I forget, love remembers. Even if they forget, I remember for them. I am restoring peace to the mind, one breath at a time. I send healing to every forgotten corner of the brain in me and in those I love. I invite clarity, love, and grace to return.